Hey guys, Richard Scatlin, Remount Horsemanship. Got asked the other day, how in the world do we manage two sets of reins? So if you're riding in the two rein setup, interested in bringing your horse up through the bridle, how do you ride with two sets of reins? One set going to the hackamore, one set going to your bridle reins. The way I do it is not the way that everybody does it. The way that I do it's not necessarily the way that I was taught to do it. Over the years and experimenting with what works and what doesn't work and what makes sense to my paws is how I've developed, I guess, my style of holding my reins. What I do is I bring my hackamore reins underneath my Remount reins, and then what I do is I split them like that. So my pinky and my ring finger go between my reins. What that's going to do is that's going to allow me to kind of squaw rein my horse wherever I need him to go. Now, when I do that, I can, say I want to turn to the right, I can pinch my right rein, let my left rein slide, and there's my right. Now, to go to the left, I can pinch my left rein, allow that right rein to slide, and there's my left. You get a few turns like that, and then my fingers end up here at the top of my reins. So I can just grab those reins, slide my hand down, and I'm back to where I was at the beginning. To hold my Remounts, I still split my reins that same way, but I set my Remounts on top like that. And then I adjust my reins. He's kind of flipping his head, he's still packing this bit around. I can adjust my reins so that I'm still talking more to the hackamore and not so much to the bridle. As he gets used to packing this bit and as I start to introduce the bit to him, then I can start to elevate my bridle reins. There, he dropped his nose. So then I can just kind of pinch there and then operate like that. What I do a lot of times when I do start introducing that bridle bit is I'll put my pinky through my McCarty reins or Macate reins. I'll still split my reins like before. So I split my reins and then I'll pinch it with my index finger with my left hand, and I'll look down there and I'll adjust it. And I'll ride like this. Thumb down means no bridle rein contact. Rein up, there he just gave. Or thumb up means bridle rein engaged. Now I'll hold until he settles. So thumb down, no bridle rein. Thumb up, bridle rein. I don't know if you saw that, but he broke at the pole, so that was good. So that's how I hold my two reins. I split my pinky, my ring finger through my Macate, and I lay that Remount on top. Now, if I'm just letting him pack this bit around and I'm not going to be using those Remounts at all, I'll just pinch those reins with my left index finger, and then I'll hold the Remount like this so I can use it in other ways. But with my fingers split through those reins, I can go right, I can go left, I have my back up, and that's all off of the hackamore, not off of the bridle rein. And then I can shorten that bridle rein. These Remounts don't have a two rein button, some do. But then I can shorten this rein, my bridle rein, as I need to introduce that to him. So that's how I hold my reins. Go out there, experiment, find what works for you and your horse and what makes sense to your hands. Learn from as many people as you can. That's what I try to do. And then I just try to find what works and what makes sense to me. And then I add that into my life. So that's how I go about holding the two reins, riding in the two rein setup. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. And it is a beautiful day in North Carolina. I love it. All right, y'all. See ya.